in this thing together, aren't we? Welcome, Haley.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for joining me here on Community Link. Within Community Link, we're always linking someone who's doing something, or people, or organizations, what have you, doing something that will bring the community together.
Absolutely.
And you are having this event. It's the Spiritual Network, Pregnant with Purpose, ready to go from potential to purposed. I'd like you to say hello to the audience here at Linkage Radio.
Hey, everybody.
All right. Now tell us about Pregnant with Purpose.
Okay, so Pregnant with Purpose is basically an event that was birthed in me last year. I had the first initial conference called Path to Purpose, and this year I got the idea for Pregnant with Purpose. Mm-hmm. And the Spiritual Network is just about Christian entrepreneurs being able to find a safe haven where they can come and not only get, the ideas and knowledge that they need about business, but also get a spiritual aspect as well. Because what a lot of people don't or fail to about entrepreneurship is that it's really hard. It's not an easy road. So you really have to have a spiritual man, built up in order to be someone who will keep going in this whole, this whole road. Because as I said, it does get hard, and we need those women and people around us that are going to build us up and be our accountability partners. What the Pregnant with Purpose Spiritual Network stands for, bringing those women and people together and building that connection within the community.
Now, when you started it the first time, how did it go?
It was amazing. That it was back when I didn't even know how to plan events, so we planned for women to come out and just have a good time, and it actually ended up being 100 women that came out to that conference that first year, and that is when I knew that God was doing something with the conference, and I needed to continue to be obedient to him, just follow what he was telling me to do, as it pertains to this conference and this whole event. So it went really well, and I can't complain. I'm just ready to see what God is going to do this year and either going forth.
Okay. Now, I was at the first one.
Yes.
And it went very well. I was so impressed with your presenters, women.
Yes.
All love the Lord and just wanting to share their background, their expertise.
Absolutely.
And that was really, really good. And I'm sure it has built momentum since then.
Yeah, absolutely. It's last year, as I said, it was just me and my mom, my team. And this year, I actually have an event team. I have an event manager. I have people that are backing this, event, and I have sponsors, things that I really didn't know or have any clue about last year. So it really has grown. We have Kiara Shared coming in doing the keynote.
Well, I looked at the flyer. Let's see if I'm spelling this name right. I'm like, oh, how impressive. So,
Yeah.
Haley, you have really been promoting this?
I have, and I really have just been following voice and doing what he has called me to do. This year, as it pertains to, the keynote, Kiara Shared was what I heard. So I was very persistent, and I let them know the vision that God had sent me and what I did it and why, and just was very straightforward with them and let them know, yes, I'm an up and coming entrepreneur, but I'm very serious about my business, and I am a businesswoman and I operate as such. And, we were able to sign her on, and it's just
so it
amazing.
wasn't very difficult.
No.
Once they caught your vision.
Yeah. Once they understood the vision and how I saw it and what I want for the whole conference, they were more than willing to help out and, do and to come.
Now, how do people sign up? Is there a signing up process?
For the conference?
Yes.
They can actually purchase tickets, or they just do pregnantwithpurpose.eventbrite.com. Eventbrite, BRITE.com. And they can find me on all things social media, Haley J. McKenzie. I have the link in most of my social media, like my Instagram account. They'll see flyers posted on my Facebook. So if they add me, they'll be able to also, get connected with how to get.
And there are guest speakers.
Yes.
Who are these fabulous looking young women?
I have a lot of guest speakers, and I'm just very happy about just how it panned out. Honestly, when I first started, I only had two. And, you know, God said, just go on and start promoting with the two. And, you know, anybody that's supposed to be there, I will add them. And when I tell you, I've had people reach out to me from outside of New York, from South Carolina, people flying in from Cali just because they want to be part of it. And I was just overwhelmed because my vision and what I expect with just, you know, some New York speakers, that wasn't what God had. He had something so bigger. And you know, it's funny how we put a cap on God and he just blows your mind if you just, you know, put it in his hands. So we now have speakers. One is, she does MLM, multi-level marketing, and she's doing really well in her company. So she's coming in to share with these women about MLMs and how to, you know, do well in them. Because a lot of us start these MLMs and never finish. It's a great way to have residual income, which is what a lot of us as young or you know, family people, we need that, you know, something that's consistent.
Right.
We have Catherine, she's social media expert. You know, she has a huge following on Instagram, Facebook, 25,000. This is a girl that went to school with, so it's not any, you know, celeb per se, but she just knows how to really work social media and how to sell on social media. So she'll be coming and speaking to the women about that, learning how to sell on social media, because a lot of people don't understand that you can make money off of social media if you know how to sell, how to market yourself correctly. So she's coming in to discuss that with the ladies. We have Nyala Phillips coming in, another marketing expert, so she's coming in to also speak about marketing and social media. We just have a whole bunch of expertise in their field, and they're coming in to share that information with the young women and just help them to start businesses might have, you know, and be pregnant with, but not giving birth to it because they don't have the information on or the knowledge on how to do it.
Right. Community Link aired right here on Link Radio 101.5 FM, 104.5 FM. Welcome everyone. My guest is Haley Johnson McKenzie. And this year's event, pregnant with purpose, ready to go from potential to purpose. Now you have panelist discussion.
Coming in, I have a young girl that I went to high school with, and she has taken the fashion world by storm. Her name is Krista Ford. She has come up with so many different, you know, things on social media, to have these people just so into her fashion, and she's a young girl, you know, so that in and of itself spoke bounds to me when I was looking for panelists. I wanted young people that were out here doing it, you know, not just saying, okay, you know, entrepreneur or okay, I do this. I wanted to see people that I know for a fact living that, you know. We also have somebody coming in be on the panel who is from Final Pitch TV, and he will be just discussing, he's a multimillionaire, you know, built from the ground up. So I really want him to share that information with some of the young women on how he did, you know, how he made that kind of money. You know, a lot of we have ideas and don't understand that one idea in turn is something that makes us millions. You know, so it's crazy how, you know, if we would just take the time out to all these birth with have had the idea for businesses for years. We have never allowed God to say, okay, now it's time, your 9 months are up, it's time, and you're just living in, you know, lack. And we're living in, you know, why can't I do this? Or I have to trade off something. You know, I can't buy the bag because, you know, I have to pay my child's school fee. And God didn't put us here to live like that, which is what conference is about. So all of the panelists are going to speak to that. You know, my friend came out of high school and she didn't go to college. A lot of us feel like we have to go to college in order to make something out of ourselves, and that's absolutely not true. Sometimes you get the vision right out of high school, and sometimes God is calling you and saying, I will give you the credit that you need, I will give you the certification. You know, so that's something that I want everyone to know, that not every path is for everybody. So I have very, you know, of good variety on the panel that's coming in to speak. I have Deborah O coming. That's another friend from high school. She went to Howard University, an amazing woman, like just crazy, phenomenal. She works for the Shade Room. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of the Shade Room. It's like the column of all of the, you know, all of these these rappers and R&B, all of them.
Mm-hmm.
So, but she was basically one of the people that helped to found this whole dream, this whole the Jade Room, and now they have millions of followers. You know, they do advertisements for people, but this was something that she helped from the ground up.
Mm-hmm.
So that is, people need to know that yes, it's not going to be easy in the beginning, and yes, you're going to have, you're going to stumble sometimes, but you will be able to build something from the ground up that can potentially lead to you being abundant and having good money flowing. You know,
you'll be having entertainment, masterclasses, catered lunch, swag bags, ministry. Where's the venue?
The venue is in Bronxville, New York. It's called the Golden Sword International, and it's a very nice venue in Bronxville. It's right in the center, right in the heart, by Haiku, those main restaurants, Starbucks, all of those places.
And you have the street address?
Yes, it's 10 Tanglewild. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. 10 Tanglewild Avenue. So they can just, the venue is actually on the Eventbrite also. So if you guys check out the Eventbrite, you'll see exactly where it is. And yeah, it's gonna be a great time. It's in a key location. It's an amazing venue, well lit, and we're ready to just bang it out and have a good time.
Address for them?
Yeah, 10 Tanglewild Avenue.
Okay, wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, the Spiritual Network, current with purpose, we go from potential to purpose. And as Haley says, there are a lot of people who have some great, brilliant ideas, but you really have not tapped into, well, the wisdom from God. Neither have you spoken it, and you have not reached out to, anyone who could perhaps advise you on in terms of the way to go,
right.
how to get started. And Haley started, and I'm sure there were challenges along the way, Haley.
Absolutely.
You weren't sure,
Absolutely.
wondering if it's gonna flop. As a business, starting your business.
Of course. We've all had that period. Even in the beginning, I'm like, okay, what am I doing? Like, am I going to throw this event? Who's going to come? Do people even like me? You have so many questions, and, Satan creeps in and so much doubt in your mind also. Are you doing the right thing? Are you sure that you heard from God? With you doing it in and of yourself. But when I saw the turnout last year and just even how at the end of the conference, like, we as women were just basking in the emotions and the spirit of the day. Like, no one wanted to leave.
Yes.
And that for me was so significant, because I'm like, I know that this thing had to have been sent from God. Just how it turned out, in terms of the catering. As I said, we were looking forward to 40 people. 100 people came, and everyone got fed. That's nobody but God.
Exactly.
Nobody but God.
Exactly. So once again, remind them of you.
Absolutely.
Date and time.
All right. So the conference will be happening on November 12th. That's this Saturday. It's happening from 10 to 5. And it will be in Bronxville, which is a part of Westchester, Bronxville, New York. And it's 10 Wild Avenue, Bronxville, New York, 10708.
All right. And a contact number?
Oh, they can contact me at 914-413-7819 if you have any questions or concerns. You can also email me at hello@HaleyJMcKenzie.com.
Well, okay, Haley. So, somebody just ran for the pen.
So let me repeat that for you guys. Right. All right. So the number is 914-413-7819. And you can also email me at hello@HaleyJMcKenzie.com. Haley is spelled HayleyMcKenzie.
And finally, we're wrapping up. How is the prayer line going for this?
I mean, I have been in my prayer closet. I've honestly, gathered together my speakers, and not even just my speakers, but just gathering, the prayer warriors that I know are really, gung-ho about prayer in my life, just to cover the event, because I know that all kinds of things are going to come up, which they have already been happening. But, with the right coverage and just thinking on God, I know that is going to be amazing. And I actually do want just a consistent prayer line to be birthed out of this, where it's women in business praying for and over their lives and over their families' lives,
Mm-hmm.
and just praying for a life of abundance, because we need to be specific in our prayers to God.
Right.
So I do want something to be birthed out of this. It'll happen as soon as I, get settled after this whole
And
conference.
one final thing, your support system. Who is backing you?
My family, my husband, my kids, my mom, my immediate family has been just amazing. My brother, he always caters if I need a catering. My mom is like my administration.
Right.
That's
Good
my
evening,
amazing administration.
Mr. Johnson. Yeah.
She's awesome. I can always count on her to be organized and just, make sure you dot every I and cross every T. She's phenomenal. My husband has been not only, physically and spiritually supportive, but also mentally and financially supportive of my dreams and, my vision as an entrepreneur. So without them, I really wouldn't be able to do any of this. My kids are amazing. They'll see me staying up till 2 a.m. and they're like, "Mommy, what are you doing? Am I doing work for your event?" And I'm like, "Yeah, of course, sweetie." And they're just so, supportive of that. And they understand that mommy has a vision and has a dream, and they are so supportive, and it means the world to
Which
me.
is for them.
Absolutely.
Is for them.
Exactly.
Well, I am very proud of you, and I'd like to say God bless this event this coming Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. The Spiritual Network, Pregnant with Purpose, ready from potential to purpose. Kira Sheard will be the main artist of the event, and he'll be having VIP speakers, discussion, masterclasses, catered lunch, swag bags, and ministry. And your telephone number one final time.
914-413-7829.
And it would be good if parents, those of you who are listening, and you would love your young people to go and be inspired, this is the perfect setting for them. So I invite you to take them along. Go and register on Eventbrite.
Yes, on Eventbrite. Just the name of the conference, which is pregnantwithpurpose.eventbrite.com.
Thank you so much for stopping by Community Link this
you.
afternoon. It has been my pleasure hosting you.
Same here. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen, with Haley Mackenzie Johnson, and reminding you to go on out. Network, Pregnant with Purpose, ready to go from potential to purpose. This is Linkage Radio 101.5 FM. The show is Inside the Zone. Today's segment is Center Stage, the platform where voices are heard and people connect. 7:01 p.m. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere.